Here is yet another tutorial on how to create a stunning motion graphic animation in Canva. By the end of this video, you learn how to create a motion graphic animation with confidence. Let's dive in. First, I'll drag and drop my image into my canvas. In this case, I'll use soft drink images. Then I'll place the Coke image at the center, the Schweppes image at 90 degrees, and the Mirinda image at 180 degrees from the Coke image, like this. Perfect. From here, I'll go ahead and select all the images and group them. Next, I'll open a new page and type my text and change the font to Anton before increasing the size. Once done, I'll copy and paste the text onto the first page. Then I'll go to Layers and send it back to the page. Next, I'll increase the size of the first image and place it at the center. I'll then go to Position, click on the background and change the color to red. I'll change the color of the text to resemble that of the background. Next, I'll go to Effects and choose Glow and increase the intensity to 80. Now, it's time to delete this second page to prepare for the next creation. I'll then duplicate the first page and rotate the image anti-clockwise like this. Awesome! From here, I'll go to Position and change the color of the background. Then drag the text to the center before changing its color to that of the background. Next, I'll duplicate the page and rotate the image anti-clockwise again, like this. I'll go ahead and drag the text to the center and change its color to that of the background. Last but not least, I'll add transition between the pages. I'll go with Match and Move before increasing the duration to 1.5 seconds. I'll then apply it to all pages and decrease the timing of each page to 3 seconds. And that's how to create a stunning motion graphics animation in Canva. If you want more about this magical design content, please like and subscribe.